This is Ugly Stick Dog Runner Spinning Combo Red, and actually this is for kid. On the back there's an instruction on how to tie the hook. Even though this combo is made for kid, but I think the quality they don't compromise. So here is the fiber, glass fiber and graphene. This is very flexible, you see, and it can really catch fish. Let's check this part. And here it comes with the line, and here it says gear ratio 5.2 and 1. And here they put a lot of oil in the gear. You can see that there's a lot of lubricant, and this is pretty good. Just make sure it's running smoothly. And here, when you lose this one, it can just place into the right position. Now it's good. And it's operating super smooth, and it's very easy handle for the kid. And let's see, the handle here is made of the soft wood. And overall, it's not heavy. Only this part got some weight, but I think the majority is the plastic. But no, actually I think this is metal. The red part is aluminum. It's very sturdy and pretty cold. I think this is the metal and the plastic. I like the Ugly Stick product. They don't compromise even this for the kids. It's not a toy. This is a fishing pole. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.